Hey guys, Mike and
Claire,
from
Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada.
Claire. Why are you smiling?
Because I'm about to start the engine.
Ooh.
Replaced.
Look at the confidence in this kid. Look at the confidence in this kid. You think it's going to start?
Yeah.
So what did we do here? This is video 2 of two-part video.
Yeah. I replaced the engine
Okay.
with the donor engine and this Hyundai.
So this Hyundai Sonata,
Yeah.
2015,
Yeah.
2.5 liter engine.
2.4 liter.
Oh, I tried to catch you there. See, she paid attention. All right, so it was a successful transplant, you think?
Yeah.
So we're going to start it up here for the first time.
Yeah.
Chances are there's going to be some smoke.
Yeah.
Why? We did the throttle body cleaning.
Throttle body cleaning. And
So you got throttle body cleaner in there, and
Yeah.
so we don't want people to panic thinking that this thing's smoking like a chimney or
Yeah.
Cheech and Chong from Up in Smoke.
Yeah.
It could happen. We're going to find out.
Yeah.
So are we going to say a little prayer? No prayers needed. Let's see. I'm going to stand back here in case anything lets go. Okay, Claire? Not that I don't have full confidence in you. There we go. That's success. Look at that. Nice. She's purring. Nice. Good job, Claire. Good job. So what else are we going to do here, Claire? Before we hand it back over to the customer, what do we always do here at Urban?
Double check everything and
Well, that's a given. What else?
clean it up.
Clean it up.
Yeah.
So what do we want to make sure that when our customers pick up after a job like this, what do we want to make sure when they open up the hood, what should they see?
Nice and clean. No fluids or handprints anywhere.
And nothing like we want it to be like we weren't even there.
Yeah.
Like factory original.
Yeah.
So you're going to bring it to that, right?
Yep.
So the customer can pick up today at the end of the day.
Yep.
They're going to be excited. You're excited.
Yep.
You're smiling, and I'm excited
Yeah.
for you, kid. Good job. Keep up the good work. And we always say Urban Automotive.
Safety first.
Have a great day, guys.